Might seem contradictory, but it's a troubling fact in this province. There isn't enough money to cover the daily demands on our healthcare system. And as long as that's true, the quality of our healthcare will depend upon donations as well as tax dollars. Which brings us to our week-long look at the generosity of BC families whose donations will help fund and equip a brand new children's hospital.
So we'll get all this stuff out of them today, all these tubes and lines, and get them upstairs.
Chris and Miranda Brown never expected to land in the ICU at BC Children's Hospital. But when Henry and his twin brother were born 2 weeks ago, he was diagnosed with a heart defect. And while the newborn is getting the best care possible, the physical surroundings leave a lot to be desired.
But it's an antiquated old ICU and doesn't allow for specialization of certain disease processes like kids that have cardiac conditions.
1 in 100 children are born with a congenital heart defect, making it the most common type of birth defect. Every year, more than 200 young patients undergo open heart surgery in Vancouver. And when the new hospital is complete, those kids will be cared for in a dedicated cardiac ICU, thanks to the support of a $6 million donation from well-known philanthropists, the Illich family.
It shouldn't be a question about, should you? It's why shouldn't you?
Some of the money will go towards the new pediatric heart transplant program, paying for a nurse practitioner and some equipment. Though Health Minister Terry Lake was on hand to make last month's announcement, the province isn't giving Children's Hospital any specific funding for transplant, even though it will be saving money by keeping those patients in Vancouver.
Yeah, I mean, I used to see that in the paper and I used to think, why, yeah. But I think it's very important. It's marvelous that we can do it here now.
We do rely heavily on donations, especially in pediatric care. We couldn't function without donors and their generosity.
And it's not just kids from our province who are going to benefit. 1 in 6 cardiac surgery patients are from elsewhere. 11-month-old Nolan flew in from Winnipeg for his operation. With the new transplant program and a dedicated ICU, BC Children's Hospital is expected to become the heart of pediatric cardiac care for Western Canada. Elaine Young, Global News.
And if you'd like to help BC Children's meet its fundraising goal, you can call toll-free right now at 310-2224 from anywhere in the province. The contact information is also available on our website, globalnews.ca/BC.